This isn't like his other ones?
Well, so far it is, kind of.
Lay down. Just a buddy. Lay down. He's making weird breathing noises like he never made before.
Mark it down in the seizure log.
How many has he had this month?
This month, this is the second one.
It's alright, buddy.
Because he's had a couple that I haven't gotten recorded.
Well, he had one the other day where he went down the stairs, right?
Right.
It's okay, buddy. You're alright.
What morning was that?
You're alright.
Today's the 22nd, right?
Yeah. It's alright. Stay here. Stay down. You're alright. Stay down. No. Shane, can you go get a towel? Stay down, bud. Stay down. You're not done yet, buddy. Just put it down there in front of him so I can. That's fine.
Hey, the only room has been watered for 2 days.
All right, buddy. Stay here. Good boy. Good Jitsu. Stay here. No. Don't try and get up. Stay here. You're alright. Jitsu, stay down. Stay down, buddy. Alright. Lay down. Stay here. Uh-oh.
Was that Jitsu?
That was Jitsu farting.
Great.
Stay here. Christian,
Come home, Dad.
would you take the dog
Yeah.
out front? He's starting to come out, but I think he needs to go dookie. Oh my gosh. That's toxic. Oh, nothing's worse than a seizure fart.
From a dog.
Well, he was having it for what, like a minute before? So I got 5.
I have it written down. I'm looking for the text message that I sent you that tells me the date of the last one. Yeah.
It was last week before Caleb left.
There it is, 7:18 at 9:20 a.m.
So 4 days ago. 4.5 days ago. You do better? Oh.
Actually, it was
Wipe off your face. Wipe off your face.
I I know I don't have them all logged, but that puts them at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 logged seizures. So that's probably more like 12 he's had.
In July?
No, since the beginning of the year.
Oh.
Maybe tree.
About
No,
one
there
month.
was one month that he had like 5 of them though.
Frenzy. Probably guide him out, put him on his chain.
Outside?
Well, I don't know if he's good enough to walk good by himself yet.
It's just a little drunk, that's all.
Well, sit out there with him, make sure he doesn't fall off the porch.